If you think AI is just a buzzword, think again. It's coming fast, and it's already changing your future. Let's get real for a second. AI will replace millions of jobs. And that's not fear-mongering, it's reality. But don't panic just yet. I'm going to break down what's really happening with 3 facts you need to hear. Number 1, AI is already replacing millions of repetitive jobs. I'm talking cashiers, telemarketers, data entry operators, gone or going. Why? Because AI can work 24/7, so it never gets tired, and it doesn't need a paycheck. That's a game changer, and it's already happening all around you. But here's the good news. Number 2, it's not all bad. New jobs are rising, and they're not what you might expect. Think AI trainers, automation engineers, even content creators who work with machines. The job market's evolving, not disappearing. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and keep learning. And number 3, the real risk isn't AI itself, it's ignoring the change. If you stay stuck in the same old routine while others upskill and adapt, it's not the robots replacing you. It's the people who know how to use them. So don't fear the future. Get ready for it. Hit that subscribe button for smart, honest tech talk. Right here on AI Tech with Saran.